So I had the weirdest dream last night. Like I woke up at 7 in the morning
Today is
and just
the day.
sat there in bed
It is
with this
finally
huge grin
ready.
on my face because I remembered everything, every single detail. And I thought, okay, I have to tell someone about this. I jumped out of bed and ran to my window and looked outside at our totally normal street. Same houses, same cars, same everything. Except in my dream, it was not like that at all. I walked over to my corkboard where I keep all my invention drawings, the drone sketches, the backpack designs, the robot helper thing I have been working on forever. And I thought, what if all of this was actually real? Like actually built and working and in my hands right now. I grabbed my tablet and my sneakers, at the same time trying to do both at once, and nearly fell completely on my
definitely
face,
one thing
which
at a
honestly
time.
tracks. And I just stood there in the middle of my workshop, looking at everything and thought, okay, what if I actually had all of this? What would my life even look like? So let me tell you, because it was pretty great. Okay, so the first thing I built was this backpack. Looked totally normal from the outside, but it had this little screen on the strap and these tiny lights around the edges.
Oh no!
I pressed a
forgot
button,
my lunch.
and it just opened itself and floated there, reorganizing all my books automatically. I actually got to school. The backpack had already scanned my whole schedule and told me exactly which books I needed that day. Then at my desk, it just quietly projected this little hologram above itself, showing my whole homework list for the day. I looked at it and gulped a little because there was a lot on there. But then it showed a tiny thumbs up, like you got this, buddy, and I actually felt better. At lunch, me and 3 other kids all had different colored versions, and we pressed them together, and they just shared notes between each other, making these happy little beeping sounds. We all high-fived. It was a great day, okay? But then came the homework part. And homework is where things always fall apart for me. I got one answer wrong, and instead of making me feel bad, it just shot confetti at me. And she used this tiny laser pointer to go through one problem at a time. It just pulled up this holographic pizza and divided it into slices right in front of me. And I actually got it. Like it actually clicked. I got one answer wrong, and instead of making me feel bad, it just shot confetti everywhere and showed a sign that said, almost there, try again. Laugh. Tried it again. And the robot did this happy little spin on its wheels. That was honestly the best thing I've ever seen. I fell asleep reading at one point, and it poked me awake and showed me a tiny hologram of hot chocolate, which was its way of saying, hey, it is snack time, go take a break. Woke up grinning. When I finally finished every single problem, the thing shot actual tiny fireworks out of its head. I held out my hand and it rolled right into my palm for a high five. Next thing I had was this health watch. Looked kind of like a toy, but it had a real medical scanner inside. I pressed a button and it scanned my hand and showed a happy green smiley face on the screen. I was playing soccer outside and I took a pretty bad tumble, but I'm kind of scared. And the watch just calmly scanned my knee with this soft blue light and showed a little cartoon bandage. Minor scrape. Nothing serious. Later, I was feeling tired, and it vibrated, projected this tiny glass of water hologram. I looked at it. The little water drop on the screen was just staring at me with this impatient expression. I laughed and drank my water. Dinner, it scanned my plate with little green thumbs up above all the vegetables. And then put this really judgmental face above the ones I did not want to eat. My mom would have loved that feature.